Since Mary Schweitzer discovered soft tissue inside a T-Rex bone back in 2000, other paleontologists around the world have been searching for their own soft tissue, and with great success. It's not an isolated discovery. It seems one big event wiped out the dinosaurs not that long ago. One man involved in this search is Mark Armitage, a scientist who believes he has the answer why we are finding so much soft tissue. He uses his biblical worldview to guide his science. His discoveries have been groundbreaking. He uses his expertise in microscopes to reveal incredible evidence that dinosaurs lived just a few thousand years ago. In this episode of Dino Hunter, Jeremy McLaughlin ventures out into the Hell Creek Formation of eastern Montana. He'll dig up dinosaurs with Mark Armitage and paleontologist Otis Klein as they search for more dinosaur bones that contain soft tissue.
Thanks for watching our trailer. Awesome Science Media has produced over 50 hours of great kids programs and documentaries on science from a biblical worldview. Want to see it all? The two best ways are streaming it on our Patreon channel or purchasing it for download on our online store. You can also buy some of our content on DVD. Check out the links in this video as well as the video's description. Get access to our full kids programs and documentaries by supporting our Awesome Science Media page on Patreon. Get behind-the-scenes segments, photos, and bonus interviews. There are also complete curriculum guides, teacher guides, student guides, and discussion tools. There are fun extras like coloring pages, word finds, and activity sheets. Plus, supporter-only updates, live hangouts, podcasts, and blogs. Sign up for free to get our updates or cancel at any time with any of our monthly paid plans. Don't want to subscribe? Have it your way. You can just purchase our content and teaching materials. Every option supports us to reach even more families worldwide with faith-building science content. Sign up today at patreon.com/Awesome Science Media. Or buy our content and download it from our online store at awesomescienceshop.com. You can purchase individual programs or save money and buy the entire series. Each title comes with a download link for your local device, plus a streaming link if you want to use that instead. Our online store also includes teacher resources, merchandise, and additional resources such as books and guides. Check us out today at awesomescienceshop.com. See the link below to access our full episodes.